Why am I buying more Ethereum? I'm going to talk about it in this video. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gents. Hope you guys are well. Ethereum jumped up to $1,800 over here. We can see we're up 13% on the 7-day time frame, up 5% on the 24-hour. Of course, on the month, we're still down on average 13%, so there's not really much to celebrate, to be honest. However, I am still bullish on the recent news that we've just seen here. For Ethereum, we can see the PEPE upgrade is set for May 2025 launch. So we're looking at roughly, I think, the 7th of May for the PEPE upgrade. Effectively, this is going to, introduce 11 Ethereum improvement proposals. The mainnet launch is scheduled for around 2 weeks' time, which isn't too long, and is also expected to enhance staking efficiency and network scalability. So combine all of this together, you're getting even more fundamental value out of Ethereum. Now, I could read through this and go through it, but instead I'm just going to leave this link down below so you can explore it yourself should you wish to. But yeah, we can see at the moment ETH looking pretty nice. Would love to see Ethereum get back through the $2,000 mark. That's ideally what we really want to see here for Ethereum. So good news, to be honest, so far. We can see looking also at the March on-chain decentralized exchange volume. Ethereum had 64.6 billion in March, and so far in April we're looking at 45.57 billion. So actually right now you could argue on the DEX side of things, Solana is actually outperforming Ethereum. But yeah, we're certainly lacking a bit of DEX volume. We also called over here, by the way, in my Discord channel, which is just down below, completely free to access. We called a beautiful signal where, literally on April 7, we were just talking about Ethereum at $1,500, $1,556. And yeah, we stacked up on ETH at 1.5K. So right now it's at 1.8K. The signal, the call went very well. If you want to get signals like this and calls like this, make sure you do get into my crypto Discord, where you can see people are making massive wins, constantly making big wins in the market, like these big trades right here. So do join my Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. Now, this candle is everything. This massive weekly candle here that we're seeing for Ethereum, we really need to break through the $1,800 level with some aggression, with some confidence. But we did, of course, break out of this symmetrical triangle pretty nicely. It looks nice as well. If you're looking to buy Ethereum, check out the exchanges I've got down below, of course, and you might get some sign-up bonuses whilst doing so. But yeah, so far, trajectory strong, looking good. If we can get continuation here, we might actually start to break that $2,000 resistance at some point soon. You can see we've got a lot of overhead resistance around that $2,000, $2,100 level. But if we can get through there, things will start looking a lot better for Ethereum. You can see on the weekly time frame, we actually almost bottomed out here on the relative strength index. We've not been that low since June 2022. So this could be now seen as that sort of next accumulation range here for Ethereum. And it's always a long-term view from this particular path. From where we currently are, we want to hold for a long time and hopefully see that $4,000 at some point in the future, maybe $5,000, maybe $6,000. So it might take a while. We don't know how quickly it will move, but right now we are feeling pretty bullish on, Ethereum. Of course, we got to 4.2K. We didn't actually put through an all-time high because that is 4.8K. But every single time we do see these lows for Ethereum, we do end up crawling back to the upside. So there was a lot of fear in the market, and usually only smart money would invest in such diabolical situations. But with this news on the way, like I say, it is possible to see Ethereum to get back to $2,000. Now, not financial advice. I don't know what the future entails. But of course, I'm naturally bullish seeing ETH move like this in a week, and overall the whole crypto markets are starting to look a lot better. We've got Bitcoin at 93.6K. We might even again tease a $100,000 Bitcoin very soon. So healthier markets looking a lot better for sure. And that really does excite me. Do sign up to KSEX. Link is down below, by the way. Please, if you want to get those lower trading fees, get the advantage in that sense and save money. And also, what we've just launched is the Trade Wave Indicator. Very excited to announce that we've just launched this. People are already making some big gains using our Trade Wave Indicator. And I'll link this one down below too. So we've been using it for Bitcoin recently. And effectively, what this does, the trend wave here, it helps you buy in. You're going to get easy buy and sell signals. And you can see here it is. It's as simple as this. The red square equals go short, and then you get a red cross, which tells you to partially take profits or take profits in full. 14% capitalized there. And we recently just had a Bitcoin signal flag up, which just took a 20% profit on this particular Bitcoin long position, which flagged up at 78.4K on the daily time frame. And now we can see we've got this blue cross right here, which tells us to take profits partially or in full. 20% capitalized. So if you want trade wave, get this indicator, check it down below. It's literally just $25 per month, and it could help you make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Also, if you become a patron, it is included completely free in my Crypto Legend membership, which is $120 per month. And you're going to get that free access to the new trend wave / trade wave indicator anyway. So that'll really hopefully help you guys out. Do check out my Patreon indicator down below, and also Discord. All the links that you need are down there. And you know, guys, we built this because we want to try and help people make more gains in the market. You can see it's given gains on multiple occasions. We know people spend pointless amounts of money on futile objects like coffee, alcohol, cigarettes, all these things, right? You're happy to go to get that instant dopamine and quick serotonin. So it makes sense that you also invest in things that could potentially help, right? And, you know, already 20% gains. You know, if you put $10,000 down on a long position there with a bit of leverage, then you're up that 20% plus leverage. You're looking at thousands of dollars of potential unrealized profits there, which could hopefully really, really help. So yeah, overall, very bullish. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, and we'll see you very soon. Hopefully we get ETH back to that $2,000 region. If you think it's going to get there, like the video, hit the notification bell, and share it with your Ethereum fellow friends. We'll see you soon, and bye for now.